ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ। ਗਾਜ਼ੀਆਬਾਦ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਸਕੂਲ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੋਹੜੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ। ਫੇਰ ਆ ਗਈ ਪਾਂਗੜੇ ਦੀ ਵਾਰੀ, ਲੋਹੜੀ ਮਨਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਕਰੋ ਤਿਆਰੀ। ਅੱਗ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਸਾਰੇ ਆਓ, ਸੁੰਦਰੀਏ ਮੁੰਦਰੀਏ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਨਾਲ ਗਾਓ। As the fire of Lohri flourishes, let us hope that all our sorrows end with it. Let the glory of the festival fill our lives with happiness. Wishing happy Lohri to all of you. To all dignitaries, our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Dr. Bhavna Yadav Ma'am, respected Mrs. Geeta Garg Ma'am and Mrs. Dhwani Gambhir Ma'am, with great joy and immense exultation, I feel privileged to extend my warm welcome to our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Dr. Bhavna Yadav Ma'am, respected coordinators Ma'am, respected parents and our lovely students. A very warm good morning and a heartily welcome to all presented here for the celebration of Lohri Festival 2021. I, Oshi Gupta, welcome parents, students on behalf of Ghaziabad Public School to a very special Lohri, Makar Sankranti and Pongal celebration where you will witness your children's achievements and many brilliant performances. Dear audience, you will yourself discover as the colors of cultural feast unfold. We are glad about your presence. Punjab is in itself a state of colors and enthusiasm, and why not? It has the most vibrant culture and sweet people. One such festival is the Lohri festival that incites a feeling of happiness and prosperity for all the people. After working hard the whole year, when it's time to harvest the fruits of their hard work, it is considered as a good opportunity to have a festival that makes the best of all the efforts of the people. The festival with Lohri starts many days before the actual festival is celebrated. Lohri is a popular Punjabi winter folk festival celebrated primarily in the Punjab region. The significance and legends about the Lohri festival are many, and these link the festival to the Punjab region. It is believed by many that the festival commemorates the passing of the winter solstice. Lohri marks the end of winter and is a traditional welcome of longer days and the sun's journey to the northern hemisphere by Sikhs and Hindus in the Punjab region of the Indian subcontinent. It is observed the night before Makar Sankranti, also known as Maghi, and according to the solar part of the lunisolar Bikrami calendar, and typically falls about the same date every year, which is January 13. Lohri is an official restricted holiday in the state of Punjab, India, Haryana and area of Delhi, where the festival is celebrated by Sikhs, Hindus, Muslims and Christians. It is however observed by Hindus, Sikhs and some Muslims in Punjab, Pakistan. The festival that ushers in happiness, good luck and prosperity, Lohri is being celebrated on January 13 this year. Amidst the beating of the dhol and the tunes of folk songs, men, women and children dressed in their best finery celebrate the auspicious festival of Lohri. It is also the time to thank the sun god for keeping the earth warm and sustaining life on the planet. Lohri festivities are all about community gatherings and get-togethers around the sacred bonfire apart from Bhangra and Gidda performances. Let's start our Lohri celebration with many more vibrant and cultural performances. So the first performance, which is now coming up, is the dance performance. Does not dancing make one blissful? Does not it free you from every damn care? Dance like no one is watching and just revel in its sensation. Now, hold your breath, for there is a dance performance coming up. Put your hands together to cheer up our young leaders as they approach forward to show a captivating performance having a blend of cosmic tune and music. Let's welcome our young dancing stars on stage.
सुंदर मुंदड़िए तेरा कौन बेचारा दुल्ला पट्टी वाला दुल्ले की आई शेर शक्कर पाई कुड़ी दा सालू पाटा सालू कौन समेटे ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਲੋੜੀਆਂ ਮਨਾਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਜੋੜੀਆਂ ਭੈਣਾਂ ਪਈਆਂ ਗਾਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਭਰਾਵਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਕੋੜੀਆਂ ਜੋੜੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਸ਼ਗਨ ਮਨਾ
ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਬੜਾ ਜੀ ਲਾਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਬੜਾ ਜੀ ਲਾਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਏ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਤੇ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਲਿਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ
खुशियां दी रात आई चावां दी बरात आई खुशियां दी रात आई चावां दी बरात आई ठंडी ठंडी लगती हवा
Wow, incredible. What an eloquent recital. The dancers have given sense to emotion with their knack. It was indeed a lovely performance, mesmerizing and powerful. This performance has completely metamorphosed our mood. I still feel like lost in those melody-dipped musical notes. Okay, now coming up next is a very interesting show, which is a fancy dress up. Are you all excited? Okay, so life is one big party. It is an art of wearing an amazing and unusual costume as a part of a theme. It was the most awaited time, as it is always a pleasure to watch the toddlers dressed up as different characters. It is always overwhelming to see our little ones speaking and acting in such a beautiful and confident manner. This activity helped our young talent to overcome their stage fear, bring out their inner talent, give them a platform to build their self-confidence and explore their inner strength. Let's get ready as we are going to showcase their talent. We loved how they all are smartly dressed and participated with much enthusiasm. Along with this, we are going to showcase a few craft activities prepared by our lovely students. As you know, that play gives children a chance to practice what they are learning with a little more enjoyment. So come on, let us encourage the children to be creative, as creativity is inventing, experimenting, growing, making mistakes and having fun. Art reflects education, but more importantly, civilization. Each society from as far as we know in mankind has expressed its history, its feelings, its fears, its way of life, its traditions, through pictures, paintings, drawings, etc. There is no doubt that arts and craft are fun activities for kids, be it coloring with crayons or making miniature statues from clay, folding paper to create fine origami, or designing cards. There are several art and craft activities which can enhance the interest of the children and exploit their artistic potential. By introducing such activities to the kids and involving them in such activities helps in building their cognitive, physical and social development. Now it's time for some resplendent craft activities as well. So come on, let's get ready. We are now going to showcase some beautiful, mesmerizing craft work being prepared by our young talents. Let's have a huge round of applause for all our dear students for such an irresistible crafts.
I have made a kite for Makar Sankranti time. I have made kite. Happy Makar.
14 January, we are going to celebrate Pongal festival. Now let's talk about Pongal. So Pongal is also referred to as Thai Pongal. It is a multi-day harvest festival observed by the Tamil community. It is observed at the start of the month Thai according to Tamil solar calendar, and this is typically about January 14. Pongal is one of the most important festivals celebrated by the people of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Puducherry and Telangana in India. It is also a major Tamil festival in India. The festival is named after the ceremonial Pongal, which means to boil or overflow, and refers to the traditional dish prepared from the new harvest of rice boiled in milk with jaggery. To mark the festival, the Pongal dish is prepared, first offered to the gods and goddesses, followed sometimes with an offering to cows, and then shared by the family. It is traditionally an occasion for decorating rice powder based kolam artworks, offering prayers in the home, temples, getting together with family and friends, and exchanging gifts to renew social bonds of solidarity. As we are also celebrating Pongal festival along with the Lohri celebration, so for this I am going to now introduce you all with the next performer, who is Khyati Arora of class 8, and she is going to showcase her performance. So let us welcome Khyati Arora of class 8. Thank you so much, Khyati. It was indeed a wonderful introduction. You have all with the celebrations, with the traditions and with the cultures of Pongal festival. It was indeed a lovely performance, mesmerizing and powerful.
वानकम, मेरा नाम ख्याति अरोड़ा है। मैं कक्षा 8 की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आप सबको पोंगल त्योहार पर एक कविता सुनाने जा रही हूँ। आया है पोंगल का त्योहार, आया है, बहुत सी जीवन में खुशियाँ लाया है, बाजार में धूम मचाया है, नए नए बर्तन खिलौने लाया है, किसानों के जीवन में बदलाव लाया है, गौ माता के चेहरे पर मुस्कान लाया है, खेतों में हरियाली लाया है, पोंगल का त्योहार आया है, तमिलनाडु में धूम मचाया है, दिवाली जैसा वातावरण छाया है, आया है पोंगल का त्योहार आया है, जीवन में खुशियाँ लाया है, आया है पोंगल का त्योहार आया है। आप सबको मेरी तरफ से पोंगल की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
और मेरा नाम गर्वित अरोड़ा है। मैं कक्षा 3 का छात्र हूँ। आज मैं एक कविता आपको सुनाने जा रहा हूँ। मीठे गुड़ में मिल गए तिल, उड़ी पतंग और खिल गए दिल, हर पल सुख और हर दिन शांति, सबके लिए ऐसी हो बहार, रंग बिरंगी पतंगों संग आओ मनाए संक्रांत का त्योहार। धन्यवाद।
आई रीडिंग क्लास सेकंड। आज मैं आपके सामने कविता सुनाने जा रहा हूँ। सर 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 उड़ी पतंग, सर 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 उड़ी पतंग, फर 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 उड़ी पतंग, फर 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 उड़ी पतंग, इसको काटा उसको काटा, खूब नचाया सैर सपाटा, हाय रे मेरी लुटी पतंग, हाय रे मेरी लुटी पतंग। थैंक यू। हैप्पी मकर संक्रांति।
Let's call Srishti. Hi Srishti, how are you?
Hello Aman, I am good. And you?
Also fine, what are you doing?
Hearing some speeches for 13th January celebration.
What? But I think there is a holiday that day.
No, it's a celebration day.
Which kind of celebration?
On 13th Jan, a Lohri festival.
Lohri?
Yes, Lohri. You don't know about Lohri?
No, I don't. Please tell me something about it.
Okay, I'll tell you. Lohri is one of the most important festival of North India. It is just around the corner. It is mainly celebrated by Sikh and Hindus, and the festival marks the ending of the winter solstice and the harvesting of rabi crops. It is celebrated every year on 13 January with much enthusiasm and zeal.
Okay, no, I understand. Such a nice festival. You call me Drishti?
Okay, let's call her. Hello, what's up guys? What are you doing?
Srishti is also here.
Hi Drishti, what do you do?
I'm busy with Makar Sankranti festival celebration at my home.
Oh, Makar Sankranti.
Yes, I know about your festival.
Okay, Drishti, please tell me something about your festival and why you celebrate this.
Okay, I'll tell you about this festival.
Makar Sankranti or Mughi or simply Sankranti is a festival day in Hindu calendar dedicated to deity Surya. It is observed every year in the lunar month of Magh, which corresponds the month January as per the Gregorian calendar and is a day of India and Nepal to celebrate their harvest.
Oh, sounds great.
Hey wait guys, Shivam is calling me. Let me pick up the call. Hi Shivam, we all are here.
Hello, all of you. What are you doing?
Hello Shivam, we all are actually here on this call.
Hi, Shivam.
Hello Shivam.
Okay, listen. Today we are celebrating a Pongal festival at my home. So you all are invited.
Pongal festival? One more festival is there.
Oh, I will explain. Pongal is referred to as Thai Pongal, is a multi-harvested festival observed by the Tamil and Telugu community. It is observed at the start of month Thai according to the Telugu solar calendar and is typically about on January 14.
That means 3 festivals are there. Wow, what a great knowledge we are shared today.
You are right.
Okay, let's wish to all. Okay, happy Lohri to all of you.
Sankranti to all. And happy Pongal to all.
Lori.
Wells to all. Had a great celebrations. Bye bye.
Bye.
To all. Enjoy our celebrations. Bye everyone.
Wow, wonderful. Our participants have created magical expressions with their imagination and aesthetic exploration. It was indeed a very interesting yet engaging activity. Did you all love it? I hope you all enjoyed it. Their participation and endearing acts enthralled all of us. It was a delight to watch the children as they came up and spoke about the character and they were dressed up as. The efforts and hard work of children and the parents are highly commendable. I once again thank you all of you. So as we all know that gratitude is not only the greatest of virtues but the all the others. To be spiritually conscious, socially responsible, morally upright is the core dimension of Ghaziabad Public School. While thanking Almighty for His countless blessings, I would like to thank our Honorable Principal Bhavna Yadav ma'am for the motivation, for the eternal support and for enlightening our paths. We are forever grateful for your guidance and eternal support ma'am. Thank you so much. Our respected coordinators ma'am, Mrs. Geeta Garg ma'am and Mrs. Dhwani Gambhir ma'am for the endless support, guidance and cooperation. I would like to spell out words of thanks on behalf of Ghaziabad Public School to all the parents and lovely students who made this Lohri, Pongal and Makar Sankranti celebration a sweet memory to carry home. Thank you. I hope everyone had a good time. This Lohri double your joy by spreading happiness and extending your heartfelt greetings to your family and friends. Happy Lohri, Makar Sankranti and Pongal to all of you.
ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ